model something fairly complex using NURBS. For our case, we're going to model an automobile. I'm going to go over to Photoshop and show you a picture of the type of car we're going to build. And that's the original Mini Cooper. Here's some pictures I found on the internet. There's all sorts of different models of Mini Coopers. We're going to probably build a mid-60s version. And the reason we're going to build a mid-60s version is because I actually found technical diagrams of one, which will help us very much in modeling. So from these technical diagrams, we're going to actually try and recreate a three-dimensional object using NURBS. Now, when we use drawings for reference, we need to make sure that the drawings are scaled properly. I've actually gone through prior to this and taken the drawings and made sure that the cars are the same width, the same height, the wheels are the same distance apart, so on and so forth. I've also put these little red lines on these drawings so that way I have some reference lines to line them up in the viewports for when we model. For example, I created a center line right down here, a ground plane, a little line here that indicates where the tires end. I've also created, from the front view, I've created these two sets of lines here that show me where that hood, the fender, and this windshield wiper panel all kind of come together, and that's kind of a good reference point. And then for the front to back, I've also created a reference line here on the roof, at the edge of the roof panel here, to help me line that up. Now, these drawings probably aren't exact, but they're fairly close, and even modeling within Max, you'll find that these drawings will pixelate a lot, so they're not going to be exactly perfect, but the closer you can get and the closer you can get them aligned, the better. So let's go ahead and start creating our image plane so that we can start modeling. I'm going to go ahead and minimize Photoshop and bring up 3ds Max. Now the first thing we need to do is to create a plane. I'm going to start with the top view here.